News making the headline. Cop mowed down by unruly motorists in New Kingston. A man was abducted from his home in Denham Town, body found 4 hours later. A 67-year-old electrician was murdered in Westmoreland. A Denham Town man who reportedly had been abducted from home was found dead with gunshot wounds in an open lot off Spanish Town Road in Kingston on Thursday morning. The deceased has been identified as 45-year-old Fitzroy Davison, otherwise called Peter, an employee of a cement company. Reports are that on Wednesday night, Davison was at home on Little King Street in Denham Town when gunmen invaded the house and abducted him. A search for Davison was then launched by family members, which led to the discovery of the body. An elderly electrician was gunned down at a shop in Westmoreland. He has been identified as 67-year-old Luton Duck-Eye Brown of Hold Hope in the parish. The police stated that the shooting occurred shortly after 8 p.m. It is reported that Brown was standing at a shop in the community of Broughton where he was approached by an assailant who opened fire, hitting him. The police were called and the injured man was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The murder is currently under investigation. A policeman was taken to hospital after he was injured in a crash on Oxford Road, New Kingston on Wednesday. Reports are that a motorist made an illegal turn along the busy thoroughfare, which caused the accident with the policeman who was traveling on a motorcycle. The policeman sustained a broken leg. He was taken to the hospital by a group of concerned citizens who saw what took place and came to his aid. A search has since been launched to locate the motorist who committed the breach.